Today we are installing an antivirus software on AWS. This antivirus software is a free software that VDS could use to help secure the system. The software is called ClamAV. The first step would be to actually update our server. This is because when installing any new software, you would want everything to be updated properly and not have any errors when updating, because if there's a lot of updates, it wouldn't actually install the new software properly. So by updating the system, it will make sure the space is clear and everything's up to date. The next step would be to actually install the ClamAV antivirus package. This is the code you have to do to actually install it, and this is the process of it installing. Basically, once you have actually installed it, you have to do systemctl stop clamav-pressclam.servers. This is because you want to actually restart ClamAV so everything's up to date and it's fully updated. The next step, you will need to actually go into command prompt and log in via the webmaster's private key or whatever private key you are doing. It has to be the user's private key. This is because we're going to actually install and upload a file on our command prompt and transfer it to our actual server. For example, my file is actually called unit7.cvd. This is basically a ClamAV database file, but you could install any database file. The next step, we're going to log back into Potty with our webmaster's key, and we're going to open up directory using ls-al. This will list all the contents in our directory. As we can see, we have the database file, unit7.cvd, in our actual file. The next step, we're going to run our file to see if we have any viruses on our actual software. So to do this, you do sudo clamscan database equals /home/unit7.cvd/var/www/html. This is the code you would have to do. This basically will run ClamAV, and the following should appear, which is tell you it's the scan summary, it's telling you everything that's been scanned. As you can see, I have no infected files so far. The next step, we are going to test out if the antivirus actually works. So we're going to basically download a file that looks like a virus, and we're going to move it to our actual directory. So for example, we're going to download it by doing https://secure.ecard.org/ecard.com.txt. This file will look like a virus file, and it will be uploaded to our server, and the antivirus should be able to scan it and detect that there's a virus. To move it to our actual directory, we have to do sudo my-ecard.com.txt/var/www/html. This will actually move it to our directory. The last step would be to actually scan the virus. To do this, we have to type in the following command: sudo clamscan database equals /home/webmaster/unit7.cvd-infected/detect-pua equals yes-weak serve/var/www/html/. Once you have entered this command, the file should be scanned, and you can see now that it has detected that the file has been affected, and it has came up in a scan summary. This will be useful for VDS, as they could actually detect viruses on their files very quick and easy and get rid of them. Thank you for listening.